This palm-sized micro-drone integrates a cutting-edge chip, micromotor, camera, radar, thermal imager, and a high-density solid-state battery. Measuring under 6 inches 15 centimeters and weighing just 7 ounces to 100 grams. It can fly for more than 30 minutes. Operates as quietly as 50 dB, is IP67 waterproof, and functions reliably from 20C to plus 50C even in desert environments. With wind resistance up to level 6. Equipped with an advanced MEMS LiDAR system capable of detecting objects within 50 meters. The drone's SAR capabilities significantly enhance detection accuracy and 3D mapping to within 5 centimeters. Its 4000 HD dual sensor camera delivers high-resolution daytime video and clear nighttime thermal imagery, with thermal detection sensitivity down to 0.005C. A next-generation NVIDIA chip paired with obstacle avoidance radar enables intelligent route planning and full 360-degree obstacle avoidance. The encrypted communication link offers strong anti-interference performance with a range of more than 5 kilometers. The drone supports a 50 grams payload and includes an automatic self-destruction feature. It is widely used for 3D mapping, reconnaissance, and aerial photography.